Cogent.
Excuse you! Oh my God!
Get that stuff out of the vehicle!
You ripped
There
me
is
out of
no
my car!
exception.
Hello, Officer Perry, MKPD. The reason I pulled you over is because you're cutting through this.
Good morning. So is everybody else. There's one right behind you. There was one right here that just turned, but you got me, so good morning.
All right, well, actually, I've been sitting here the whole time doing traffic crash.
Okay, well, there's literally one right behind you, but yeah. And then there's one that just cut right in front of me, too, so that's okay. It's okay. You got me.
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course. Okay.
Because I've been sitting here the whole time.
Okay, that's fine.
All right? And there's no need to argue.
January 27th, 2025. She cut through a parking lot to beat a red light, claiming everyone does it. Watch how this military wife gets a crash course in traffic law.
Yes, good morning. Okay.
Do you have your registration insurance?
That's,
And if you happen to be talking about the Jeep and the Hyundai, that was a traffic crash that I was taking care of.
No, it wasn't that. It was
Okay,
literally
because-
another car right behind us, but it doesn't
All right.
matter.
No, I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing.
Take a 104
It's
pickup.
not a
That's good.
driver's license.
That's what I have on me right now. I'm sorry.
It'll be 42892
All right.
Bravo.
Your husband works for the U.S.
Delta.
Defense, or you work?
Parkway East on a blue Kia.
Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, you should know better then.
I know. We just moved here, so I just came straight from the base. That's all I use. I know that's not an excuse, but that's what I have right now on me, and I just switched my bag, so that's why.
Okay, not having a driver's license makes me believe that you don't have a valid driver's license.
Okay. I mean, literally, that's what I have. Like, you can. I
Well, I don't need to show you all that.
I'm just letting you
I mean,
know.
there's no need to be a smart mouth because I'm going to tell you what, that's going to talk your way into a ticket, okay?
I'm just letting you know that's what.
Yeah,
I
but there's
have.
no reason to be smart with me.
I'm not trying
Because right
to.
now you're looking at 2 tickets.
Okay, well, I'm not trying to. You're making it feel like I'm purposely not giving you my driver's license, and I don't.
No, I didn't say that. I'm telling you, you should know better because your husband works
No,
for
I
the
understand, but you're making me
Okay,
feel.
you're arguing with me.
What's
What's your address, please? All right, what's your insurance provider?
USA 8?
21 supervisor.
All right. Do you want to go ahead and turn the vehicle off and step outside for me, please?
Okay, that's why.
Well, right now you don't have a driver's license, all right? And I need to, once you step out here, that's why. All right, seatbelt off.
But I would like to know
Vehicle off.
why I have to step out just because I don't have a license.
Because I'm going to read you your rights and I'm going to talk to you. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay,
Step out of the vehicle.
that's all I wanted to know.
No license, no logic. She kept chanting, "Why do I have to?" until officers kindly reminded her that doors do open from the outside.
Alright, so you're arresting me?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, I want to know. You're arresting me?
I'm not going to ask you again.
I just need to know if you're. Excuse you! Excuse you! Excuse you! Absolutely not!
Cogent.
Excuse
Cogent.
you! Oh my God!
Get that stuff out of the vehicle.
Help! How dare you! Oh my God! Stop! I'm scared! Oh my God! Stop! Help me! Help! Help! Help me! Help!
Oi! I need help.
Hang on, 104
Please don't touch me! Please don't touch me! I look at hell, don't touch me!
Put the phone down. Step out now. If this other officer gets here, we're both grabbing you and pulling you out.
But she literally forced the door open!
Yes.
She forced the door open on me!
You're gonna pick yourself up by resisting. If you don't do as I say now,
You ripped
there
me
is
out of
no
my car!
exceptions.
You ripped me out of my car!
All right, you've got yourself for resisting. You are gonna go to jail. I'm done. Out. Your husband can come pick up this car. I need you out now.
Oh, my leg! Oh,
I've asked her to step out of the vehicle multiple times. I can't get her out of the vehicle. She has no driver's license. I want to read her rights back here because I have a feeling she's never been issued one based on what teletype is telling me, but who knows? But I haven't even read her rights.
Take a one for it. Can you put me out with the 1101? Hi, ma'am. You need to step out of the car. All right? Step out of the car, ma'am. The show's over. Step out of the car. Because you're crying doesn't mean you can't walk. You do what the police say, they won't touch you.
Yeah, okay.
Step back here by my car. I have the mortar test.
Put your hands behind your back now. Turn around. You have the right to remain silent. Any things that you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to your lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and you have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any question if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you'll still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to your lawyer. Do you understand your rights? With that in mind, do you wish to speak to me? I'm not going to deal with this smart-ass talk anymore. Yes or no question.
You already ran her?
Yeah,
No license?
nothing.
Throw her after your
Never
car.
issued.
Play the game later.
All right.
Doesn't want to talk? It's fine. You have a driver's license? That's fine.
Oh, am I answering your questions? I'm sorry. Am I literally? No,
We don't have time.
Like,
We're done.
okay.
Take some.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, harm me in any way?
Before attack, GPS, Hotel Delta, Golf, 88, Southwest 3700 block.
Sir? What's going on? How you doing? Good. You? Good. Good. Quick pediatrics. I never had a DUI. I don't know on that one. Because she had pulled over when I came by here. Literally 15 minutes ago. She's still sitting in the car. And I was like, what the hell?
Well, she was screaming and screaming. I couldn't hear over the radio. I heard a lot of radio traffic, so I got pulled. And I can't hear what's going on. I look at you, I'm like, yo, I need help. I got to get this chick out.
Yeah, I had no idea. I heard you yell something, and I thought they were phoning me out. I was like, yeah, take it, 1-4, step forward. And I was like, I didn't hear my number, but like I said, I could hear shit.
Yeah, I mean, she had attitude with me from the start. She hands me this defensive
It's a DOD.
military, ID. I said, where's your driver's license? I just use that. I said, no, you need a valid driver's license. Oh, well, I switch purses out and stuff. I use this all the time. I said, no, that's not valid.
She's going out of New York then, right?
Virginia, I ran her out of.
Virginia, yeah.
Yeah. Florida as well. And couldn't find her either.
I see that.
I mean, it's a shame because I really, somebody that's.
Well, yeah, she doesn't want to.
It shows what Florida says. She's never been issued a driver's license. So she knows she shouldn't be driving, if that's the case. Doesn't show suspended. All I wanted to do was talk to her and see if maybe, with this new system, who knows?
It is what it is. If she doesn't want to talk and tell you what state she has a driver's license out of without giving it to you.
I'll try to talk to her and see what state she has. What's her name?
Danielle.
Danielle.
So.
At the same time, I can clock on resisting because I was trying to pull her out. She's strong.
Hello? Hi, Danielle. I'm Officer Guevara, Cape Coral Police Department. What license are you driving out of? Do you have a license at all?
I do. It's Texas.
Texas?
Yeah, I can give you my social. I don't know why she didn't ask me for that.
So what she's saying that she asked you and you gave her an extremely hard time.
No, she asked me if I had a driver's license and she made me feel like I was lying to her. I literally showed her my bag. I just switched it. People forget shit.
Sure.
I literally don't have it on me, but I do
but it's out
have
of Texas?
one. Yeah.
So I didn't really want her to have a head injury. I could have tried to pull her feet out, and I grabbed him, I thought, twice, because I didn't have somebody else, and I didn't want to risk that.
Yeah.
She swore she had a valid Texas license and was dragged out for no reason. Turns out her Texas license expired, and so did her credibility.
So the reason why you were detained is because you gave her an extremely hard time, okay?
I wasn't resisting. I literally asked her if she was she said, get out of your car so I can read your rights. I said, wait a minute. It clicked, and I said, well, why are you, she didn't say that before. She said that the second time. And then I said, well, wait, are you arresting me? And then she said, I'm reading your rights, get out of the car. And then I said, what? And she literally went into my car and forced herself in and started yanking me out. I just wanted to know why she was doing what she was doing. That's all I was asking her. And she got frustrated and upset and went into my car and yanked me out.
In the hole of I'm crying and I can't get out of my car. I do not have time for that. Not at all. Get out of the car. You can cry all you want out of the car.
We're going to double check Texas, you said, right? You have a license from?
Yes, and my husband is on his way.
Okay.
He drives a motorcycle, so I don't know about my car. But
Okay, you guys live here in Cape or? Okay, all right. So just hang tight for me, okay?
okay, thank you.
You want to run her out of Texas? She said she has a valid deal out of Texas.
1101 Cape, 10-4, the telephone.
The people cut through here, I see. Huh?
Bank parking lot, this one. We'll pull out of the bank lot and then pull them over into here. They usually come in here, but this
So what's the violation? Oh, driving off the roadway?
16074, some central people. Let it through to avoid a traffic control violation. Stop sign or the red light.
Good to know.
Just trying to get here. Everyone's an idiot today.
Oh, either way.
Joe.
Yeah.
I know, and she's like, I always show everybody this.
What is that?
This is not a driver's
Spouse
license.
ID. DOD.
Why does she not have a driver's license?
She doesn't have one.
But why not though?
It's expired 3 years ago. Yeah.
No, but I'm saying why would you not just go get your license? It doesn't.
Because she's somebody special.
And that's the attitude she had. She goes to me,
Yeah, she would get out of the
I told her,
car.
I said, you should know better. And she's like, because she was cutting through here. And she's like, yeah, I know.
Let me let her know that. So your license is expired since 2022. Do you have any other license in any other state? So technically, you don't have a license. Theoretically.
Massachusetts? I mean, that's
Massachusetts.
probably,
How long have you been living in Florida?
since
1101 Cape, 15 emails.
Since May of this year? Of last year?
No, this past year.
So 2024 May? Okay. And where were you before? Texas or Massachusetts?
No, Virginia.
Virginia? Do you have a Virginia license?
I don't think so.
No? So it's just Texas?
I might have Mass, but for now it's just Texas.
Okay. Yeah, so the Texas one expired in 2022.
Okay, well, I didn't know that.
Where were you after
didn't
that?
know that. I'm sorry, what?
Where were you after 2022?
God. Hawaii?
Hawaii? Okay, do you have a Hawaii license or no?
No.
No, you never took that out?
I reached it, unlocked the vehicle, pulled out. This is probably the boyfriend.
I'm guessing so.
Just hang tight, I think your husband's here.
Her husband showed up claiming her military license was still valid. The cop politely reminded him that Texas law doesn't salute expired IDs, especially 6 months past due.
How can we help you?
Well, I was just wondering what the cause for the stop was.
She's cutting through a lane.
Okay.
Well, parking lot.
Okay. And then the cause for pulling her out of her vehicle?
Because I asked her to step out of the vehicle and she refused.
For what purpose?
Well, she's going to jail right now because she has no driver's license.
Actually, she does have a driver's license.
From where?
Okay.
Huh?
From where?
From Texas.
It's expired by more than 2 years.
And as a military service member that's also passed on to the spouse, I already have it pulled up on my phone. It's on my bike. It's still valid. You can't use it as an ID, but it's a valid license.
So, but you've been living in Florida since May of last year, correct?
That's
So
correct.
you can't have a Texas license if you're living in Florida.
That's not true. As I'm an active duty military, yes, we can.
Okay.
You can't have an expired driver's license by over 6 months. It's a criminal offense. It doesn't matter if you're in the military. I'm in the military too.
Then you should know.
It doesn't matter. You can have a license out of another state. That is true.
Yep.
But you still have to have a valid license.
It is valid.
Is she deployed right now? No, she's not.
doesn't
That's the
matter.
only
When you're
excuse
state-
to not
I can pull
keep
up
your
this-
license
this
renewed.
statute.
Do it right now then. I can tell you that you still have to have a valid license.
Driver's
They can have a license out of a different state, but they still have to have a valid license.
Yeah, to be able to drive.
If you are a military duty member, spouse, or dependent and are stationed outside the state of Texas, not outside the state of the United States, the expiration date of your Texas ID is automatically extended unless your driver's license has been suspended, canceled, or revoked, which it has not.
Where are you guys stationed at?
South Fort Myers, Colonial, and Fowler.
Oh, you like a recruiter or something?
On temporary.
Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out why there would be a station there. I've never heard of that. What statute is that?
That is
Yeah, but we're looking at 2022. This is 2 years.
3.
3 years, yeah. What am I thinking?
that, and that's fine because it doesn't have the time.
Because
that-
you've only been, yeah, I don't think so.
And it's DL16B out of state packet 10 Tech 24.
Can I see
Of
that?
course, the highlighted one. Sorry, adrenaline's got me going. That's why I'm a little shaky.
It's understandable. The problem is when she was asked to step out of the vehicle,
Got a resisting charge, too.
She was
But why was she
uncooperative.
asked to step
We don't
out of the
have to have a
vehicle?
reason other than officer safety. If we're requesting you to step out of the vehicle, you have to step out of the vehicle.
What
if
was
you
causing
do
her
not,
to feel like you're unsafe?
because right
You guys are
now
the ones with guns,
she didn't
not her.
have a driver's license. She did not have a valid driver's
She was looking to
license.
go to jail. So
Which
what happened?
we need to interview her to determine whether or not she has a valid driver's license. Okay, but we asked her to step out of the vehicle and she
She doesn't
refused to
have to.
comply.
Yes, she does.
Unless you have a
All right,
probable
I'm done.
reason.
You know what? I'm taking
That's
her,
all right.
and she's
Dad
gonna
will be in touch with you
too.
guys. It's all right.
So,
What do you want to do with the vehicle? You want to tow it?
I'm going to drive.
You going to take it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to park my vehicle in a secure parking lot,
All right.
and then I'm going to take the vehicle.
Cool.
That's all right. Yeah.
All right, man.
That's good?
Good, man.
All right, thanks, guys.
Absolutely.
ask
What?
ask Christensen about that.
I'll look it up. I mean, either way, she refused to get out of the vehicle, so.
Yeah, you got resisting all the way.
She was charged with resisting without violence and cited for driving with an expired license over 6 months. In a pretrial deal, she admitted it all and promised to finally get a real license. Third time's the charm, right? But tell me, was this justice served or just another case of entitlement meeting reality?